Full ingredients are in the drop-down menu below. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, add melted butter, sugar. Mix well until light and fluffy. In a separate bowl, add the flour, baking powder, salt. Mix well. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter and sugar mixture. Mixing until crumbly. Set aside 1 cup of the crumb mixture for the topping. Line the baking tray with parchment paper, then transfer the mixture to the baking tray. Press the remaining crumb mixture down evenly. In another bowl, add the eggs. Beat the eggs until thick and lemon-colored. Add the condensed milk. Lemon juice. Lemon zest. Mix well until fully combined. Cover the crumb base with the lemon filling. Then sprinkle the reserved crumb mixture on top. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top is slightly golden brown. Allow to cool completely before removing from the tin. When completely cool, slice to the required size. Look how delicious this is. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.